Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today we're taking a look at this pristine 2022 Triumph Street Triple R. This is one of my favorite motorcycle engines ever produced, this inline 3. I've had the Triumph Triples before, and these bikes are so fun. This bike offers a great value, having very low mileage, only 2,200 miles, and being the 2022 model, you're gonna save a lot of money over buying new because then you won't owe the freight and assembly costs. And we'll get into that more later in this video. But in this video, we're going to be doing a close examination of this bike, really just reassuring that it is in like new condition. And you can view all the information on this bike and the pricing on our website, alphacars.com. If you are interested in this bike, we do offer lots of transportation options. So even if you're not local, you could have a very nice Triumph being delivered right into your driveway. Just give us a call, 978-263-9000. But now, let's take a closer look at this Street Triple R. Now with the camera in hand, let's take a closer look at the Triumph. We'll start at the gorgeous gas tank. We've got the Triumph logo there, we've got some of the graphics, and I don't see any scuffing or scratches on the tank from any riding gear or the rider's knees. The seat is all in excellent condition. It's just starting to sprinkle a little bit of rain, so this is a very light raindrop right there. I just want to point out, I am trying to beat the rain right now. We have some showers about to come through. This does have a tail tidy on it, so we've got that extremely clean look at the back. Now looking down towards the rear suspension, the rear swing arm, everything looks nice and tidy here. The chain is properly adjusted and lubricated. Once again, some more nice add-ons on this bike. We've got some official Triumph case protectors here. There are some on the other side as well that we will look at. We can see the Triumph shift assist there, the quick shifter. Ultra cool styling with the Street Triple here. We've got the blinkers mounted down low on the sides of the radiator. Nice radiator guard there. And even on the front of the headers, there's no corrosion. Really no damage of any kind on this bike. No damage from physical things or from the weather. So it was always cared for. It was a local customer we purchased this from here in Boxborough. We take a look now at the case protectors on this side. We see the oil pan there, LeoVince exhaust. This bike does have all the factory parts with it as well. So the factory rear tail license plate holder is included and the factory exhaust is included as well. But I see no evidence of this bike ever being on its side. All of the sides of the bike, all of the end points, like we have the nice metal bar ends there. No scuffs or anything of the nature on those. Take a look at that. And same thing with, the edges of the pegs and the rider pegs, or the passenger pegs, sorry. So when you check out a used bike, always look for, obviously damage, but look at the widest points of the bike and see if there's any weird scuffs or anything, if it might have fallen over. And once again, I see no evidence of that on this Street Triple. We have that very nice rear shock there. The coil spring, very nice bright red. All the paint finishes look great. Tires and brakes are in excellent condition. The specific tire and brake life readings can be seen in our online listing on alphacars.com. The iconic headlights on the Street Triple here. And once again, I see no damage or rock chips or anything to the front of the bike. All the brake rotors look very nice. We've got some EvoTech axle protectors there on the front of the bike. So always a welcome addition. You can definitely tell someone cared about the bike when they add all of these protective accessories. I know I do the same on my bikes. Now let's take a look at the controls here. The grips and all controls really look as new. I don't see any sort of wear on them. We've got our hazard switch there, our kill and run switch, some of our mode controls for the rider modes, horn, just your usual motorcycle controls. We've got the adjustable levers. So the front brake lever there, we can see the adjustment right there for the adjustable reach. Same thing with the clutch lever. This bike does have 2 keys and all the original factory booklets with it. Checking out our dash. I love that big that big tachometer there at a 14,000. Let me get a better camera angle. You can kind of see the 14,000 there. Sorry about the lighting, the reflection of the sky. But we see right here all of the functions work as designed. We've got our gear indicator, mile per hour. Fuel gauge looks like half a tank. We've got the clock there, coolant temperature. There's even more things. This isn't a walkthrough of all the features. Definitely check out all the features by looking in the owner's manual. But just everything works, everything powers up as it should. And the gauges are nice and clear of any blemishes. I don't see a single scuff or scratch on those. Now that we're in neutral, let's start it up here. So I'm going to pull on the clutch and tap the starter. Of course, we did start the video with a little test ride, so you could hear that glorious exhaust, that iconic 3-cylinder sound. Very immediate throttle response, runs ultra smooth, nice healthy sounding engine, as we all just witnessed. So that's really all I have for you today on this Triumph Street Triple. Please view the listing on alphacars.com. Like I said, you can view the up-to-date pricing and availability there, as well as the tire and brake life I mentioned earlier. And don't forget about those transportation options. If you see this video and the bike is still available, but you're not here in New England, still give us a call, 978-263-9000. We can make the buying process very easy for you, and you'll end up with a very nice Triumph Triple motorcycle. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.